Hello, everyone. I just wanted to provide to you a quick tip as you're using the retirement investment model. As you've noticed, newer versions of the retirement investment model will be coming out on occasion. And so if you've been working with a client and you'd like to transfer that client information from an old version of the file to the newer version, there's a few just simple steps that you need to do that. So what you'll first want to do is go to the version you've been working with, which has the client profile data populated. So you'll go to the client profile screen and click on the copy profile data button. That basically copies all of the data, and now you just need to go to the new version of the model. In that, you want to make sure that your input cells are empty. If they're not, go ahead and clear those out before you go through this process. But assuming they are clear, you just merely need to click on the Paste in Profile Data button. And what that's going to do is one by one, cell by cell, it's going to populate your data here in the newer version of the model. Once that's populated, then just merely go over to your financial summary and then recalculate the model, and it should be ready to go for you. Hopefully this has been helpful, and let us know if you've got other questions or things that might be helpful to you. Have a good day.